visit to the Jingdezhen Handmade Ceramic Workshop. Today, let us visit the Jingdezhen Handmade Ceramic Workshop to see the real environment of a manual workshop and understand the production process of ceramics. So, this is how a teacup lid is made. Now, most of Jingdezhen's ceramic factories are using machine production lines. Is there any difference between ceramics made by machines and those made by hand? Rarity is valued. Nowadays, most ceramics in the Jingdezhen market are produced in large quantities by machines. However, there is still a niche group that needs ceramics from a purely handmade workshop. Because they are scarce, they are indeed rare. Look, this master is writing on the porcelain. I have a curious question. How many characters can you write in a day? Let's look at a very large teapot. This teapot has Chinese characters on it. It also has a handle made to resemble a tree branch. Functionally, it seems it could be hung on a stand to be boiled over a fire or lightly toasted. This master is kneading clay, which is quite interesting. It's similar to kneading dough. This clay is the local kaolin from Jingdezhen. What is special about this clay? It's sticky, fine, and has a shrinkage rate of about 80%. This is the preparation for glazing. First, it's moistened with water, then glazed. After glazing, it's left to dry slightly before it can be placed in the kiln for firing. This is the gas-fired kiln. Firing in the kiln requires several repetitions. The first round is for firing the bisque, then glazing, and if needed, painting before firing again. Craftsmen quietly work like this in the Jingdezhen Handmade Workshop. Tourists who have not visited Jingdezhen rarely have the opportunity to see and experience this.